I'm constantly taken aback by the huge variety of property styles in Britain, from characterful timber-framed cottages to grand townhouses. But sometimes the insides don't live up to the expectations on the outside. So we've gathered together the most talented amateur interior designers who think they could be the next big thing to show us how it's done. But it's not as easy as it looks.
I feel really sick.
Across 3 knockout episodes, a group of designers will compete for one place in finals week.
Ta-da!
It looks amazing. It looks exactly how I wanted it.
Love it, love it, love it.
Judging them, 2 industry experts, Daniel Hopwood.
What I'm looking for is talent that can be nurtured.
And Sophie Robinson.
I want the designers to impress me with their creativity.
They'll be scrutinising presentation skills.
That is not the way to present to somebody.
Artistic flair.
Have you ever seen that done before?
No, it's weird.
And how well they deliver their brief.
Pretty amazing transformation.
Absolutely beautiful.
In the finals, the best will face giants of the design world. Oliver Heath.
Oh my word.
Orla Kiley.
It does look quite rough.
And Kelly Hoppen.
I want perfection.
But only one can be crowned winner of the Great Interior Design Challenge.